Now we're getting ready to clean one. It's a fairly decent sized room. And we're charging up the sprayer. And it's not a terribly dirty carpet by any means. And it's purple. Everything's purple. Alright. Don't pause here. We'll be right back. So just stay tuned. Alright. We're using Betco Green Earth.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to spray about half this room. This carpet's one of those plush types, and it can soak up your pre-spray. So we're not going to try to do the whole room. We're going to just clean one half and spray one half, and then spray the other half and clean it. So.
Now this carpet's a pretty nice carpet, but it's got a lot of permanent stains. Like this stuff, this is not road stains. That's like oh, what do you call it?
Just a stain.
What's that stuff kids play with?
Oh, like slime? Silicone?
Yeah, something like whatever that is. That stuff is chili string, that type of stuff. Whatever it is, it's something similar to that. Same kind of product. Oh, I smell that Betco. That good mint scent. Alright.
Yeah.
I bet you can notice it too, can you?
Yeah. That's that nice minty.
Oh, yeah, that's exactly what it is. Alright.
Alright.
And actually, we cleaned this room probably a little over a year ago, and the color stuff was always in it. Never really came out, but the carpet was real dirty when we cleaned it. The stains came out, and the stains will come out now too, but the color stuff is, I mean, it's in there where it's hard, like you'd have to pick at it with a knife to get it out. It's not a stain, it's a solid compound of some sort.
Yeah, you almost have to snip that stuff out, and we don't want to snip the carpet.
No, we don't cut people's carpets. Yeah, you can cut them out with some good scissors, but we don't do that kind of stuff ourselves. Not the
Boy, the whole floor's vibrating.
Yeah, well, it's a wood floor.
Well, it's built up all over a slab, so.
Now, this customer we're working for is a really nice person. We've been out here, I don't know, maybe 4 times, and she's always been really nice and stuff, so we like working for her. We haven't heard from her in a while, but she called tonight when we were watching Columbo, believe it or not, and so we decided to turn off Columbo and turn right out here real quick. Knock it out. But she's a nice person, and I know she wants it done, and plus tomorrow it's supposed to rain.
I'm gonna open this door back up to get a little more light.
As long as it don't dry my pre-spray up.
I don't think it's gonna do that.
When you're working on these real plush carpets, don't never spray more than what you can clean in 4 or 5 minutes, or your pre-spray will dry up. Thick carpets just soak up your pre-spray. It's still damp a bit, but it's drying. So always spray these things. Just spray small areas and clean and stop and spray and stop and spray. That way
Spray and pray.
Yeah, that way your spray will last until you get to it, so you don't be working on those dry carpets. Because you really can't clean dry carpets. I mean, that's just not going to happen.
Yeah, we don't like spraying anywhere near the machine. So this will work out fine because we.
So don't ever spray near your machine. If you
Well, you don't want to get any spray in there on the
get
windings
spray
and stuff.
inside there, you can blow the motor up. These machines will last you a long time if you don't spray inside of them and you don't plug into bad electrical outlets. Pull the cord over here. Oh, that's beautiful. Spray it and get her done.
Yeah. Well, it's February and it's a very nice day, and it's supposed to be a little chilly tomorrow, but today was really nice.
Today in Texas hit the mid-70s.
Yeah, it's a good day for.
That's good working weather.
Yeah, it helps the carpets dry faster in this weather too.
Sure enough.
You know, our oldest brother passed away yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we lost our brother.
Yep. But he lived in another state. And
Actually, he died on Monday.
I think, yeah, it was Was it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Wednesday.
Time flies.
Yeah.
Even when someone.
Well, he was 73 and he lived a good life, I guess.
Yeah, he was a reconstructive surgeon. He had a wife and kids. He made real good money. He had a really good life.
Yeah.
But it's all gone.
Yeah, he had kidney failure, and he had to have some surgery. He had part of a kidney removed for cancer, and
He had some cancer, yeah.
yeah, and then he had a stroke a few months ago. So we kind of all knew that he started doing better for a while, and then it kind of went downhill, and he didn't want to have another stroke, so he quit dialysis, and he lasted about 2 weeks after that. So.
Yeah, he quit. He got tired of. He didn't want to hang on.
Well, that happens, you know.
Okay, we'll knock this out, and we'll get out of this good customer's hair and let them get back to their lives.
Go finish Columbo, huh?
Yeah, go finish Columbo. I'll throw the YouTube video like this. Oh yeah, the carpet's looking nice. If it wasn't for all the permanent stains, the dirt just comes right out. That's the beautiful thing. Oh man, it looks fantastic. And the free spray we're using is like, you really can't beat it.
No, it's great.
It's got a good peroxide in it.
I'll put a link in the video description for it, but what you got to do, they sell it on Amazon. You have to go, there's a little spot that instead of having a price, you have to go see all buying options. And there's a little thing you click, and that opens up all the different places selling it on Amazon. And you just got to pick the one you want to go with, the best price.
You know, come over
It
here
fluctuates. Fluctuates all the
I'm
time.
taking on all kinds of dirt that I don't know if it's getting to the camera, but man, it's just busting it out.
Yeah. These are kind of, this kind of carpet, you can change the direction of the nap, and it can look kind of spotty as you go over it. So you can't always tell. Something looks like a little stain, and it's actually just because you got a footprint there. Swing around to this other side.
And in case any of you ask, we're not in capping. I mean,
No, we're just this is just bonnet cleaning.
we know about in capping. We have in cap. We use it on occasion, but we're not doing that here.
No. We don't really like doing it on residential carpets. I think Barney lives here.
Yeah.
Either that or the Smurfs.
Look, can you see all that dirt that's coming out?
Yeah.
It's just tons of dirt that's coming out.
Yeah. It's
This one is going to be, it's going to be dirt.
I think the first time you cleaned this, it was kind of hard to clean because it was pretty dirty, but it stayed clean. So.
Yeah, it's been clean for a year.
Yeah.
This is minimal dirt compared to what there once was. This is not bad.
Well, I think they got all the furniture moved out, and they decided to get the carpets cleaned real quick.
Apparently, yeah.
That's a good time when your furniture's out anyway. Yeah, this kind of carpet just really soaks your pre-spray up, so that's why we don't like doing big areas ahead of the cleaning, because you end up having it dry up on you. So what we do is we pre-spray a decent amount, and then we use a dry bonnet to start out with. Some people soak their bonnets, and it's okay if you do that. We usually use ours dry.
We have.
They're only dry for a few seconds, and
We
they
have
start
a method,
soaking up
what we tell
moisture.
people is called the 5-minute method, and what you do is you don't pre-spray more than you can clean in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Because if you pre-spray,
On certain conditions, you can kind of cheat the numbers a little bit. If it's a day where you know the carpets won't dry very fast, you can do bigger areas if you want to.
but if you let your pre-spray dry, you're done cleaning. You're just going over it and not accomplishing nothing. So you want to get it while your pre-spray's wet. And on carpets like this, you got about 5 minutes. It
Yeah.
can be 6 or 7 minutes, but it's 5 minutes is a general rule of thumb to go under.
This is almost, you'd call it a luxury carpet. It's kind of like a silky fiber, and you know, they're really nice, you know, to walk barefoot on. But
Oh yeah, this is a deal. Barefoot carpet for sure.
they really soak up any water you spill pretty quick.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind having this carpet in our place.
Well, our carpet's 13 years old, and it's a rental carpet for an apartment, so it's kind of worn down. We kept it clean, but you can't fix all the wear and tear. All right, he's about done. I'll just say check the video description for any notes or links or anything like that. No,
It ain't done. It's close.
but you know, just check the video description. And now we do pre-approved comments, so if you leave a comment, we screen comments. We don't just let anything go up, because there's all sorts of kooks out there that think it's funny to leave. And the comments can be funny, but we don't think they're that funny after years and years of putting up with all sorts of weirdos. We do. So if you put a comment up and we don't like it, you'll know, nobody will ever see it.
We only laugh at stuff we like.
We
We don't like everything.
If it's funny, it's funny, but you know,
Yeah.
it's only so funny after about 1,000 people a month think it's funny to say something funny. All right, I think that's all for this one.
Is that our phone or
No,
camera? I heard the chime.
yeah, it's got some dirt on it.
Yeah.
All right,
Dirt.
hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.